If you want to purchase your own home but do not have the deposit or meet other criteria to obtain a mortgage from a traditional lender, owner-financed homes may be a solution to your dilemma. Rather than continuing to pay rent to a landlord who benefits from property ownership, you can build wealth yourself. Every home payment you make brings you one step closer to owning your own home outright. Owner-financed properties can allow you to borrow the sales price of the home from the lender in full or in part. This means that if you only need to cover the deposit in order to qualify for a traditional mortgage, the owner will finance that portion of the asking price. However, if you require 100% owner financing from the owner, this can also be organized depending on the terms offered. If you are seeking your home through real estate advertisements, you may not have seen owner-financed home opportunities advertised. This doesn't mean that they are not there. If an owner has had a property on the market for some time and does not want to reduce the price in order to make a sale, he or she may be willing to consider owner financing. Obviously, they would have to have the financial capacity to do this, but you won't know if you don't ask. There are also websites which specialize in marketing owner-financed homes. You may not have to meet normal lending criteria, but you will have to be able to prove your capacity to pay the required monthly payment. These payments are often higher than if you took out a traditional mortgage. However, if you are able to make them, they can be a means to an end. Once you build your history of payments and create equity in your home, you may be able to refinance with a bank or another traditional lender at a lower interest rate. Before committing to any owner-financed homes, however, it is important to employ a lawyer to carefully read through the contract. Make sure you understand what you are agreeing to. You need to be able to pay out your loan without heavy penalties and refinance if you wish. It is also important that you understand your rights and obligations once you enter into the agreement. Owner-financed properties are a popular way for owners to sell properties at the prices they want to get them sold quickly. However, buyers need to be aware that sellers are not doing them a favor. Buyers need to be careful before agreeing to purchase using seller finance. You should obtain a building inspection report and have the property professionally surveyed. Sometimes people are so desperate to own their own home that they jump at the opportunity to buying owner-financed properties. Unfortunately, they may be buying someone else's problem. It is important to approach owner finance with caution and to do your due diligence before signing your purchasing contract. If approached wisely, owner-financed homes can provide the way to your own home ownership when other avenues are not available. If you approach owner-financed home ownership with a long-term plan in mind, you will be able to move to a traditional mortgage in the future if it offers a better deal.